Hey everybody, Lucas Performance Bodies back with another Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about air filters and air filter maintenance. We personally stock the washable Walker filters, and then we stock two different kinds of cleaning and oiling kits. Both kits do have instructions on how to oil and clean your filter properly. It's just really important to take care of your air filter. It's taking care of and protecting your engine, so you're going to want to take care of it. Whether it's a washable Walker filter or a paper throwaway filter, you just want to keep up on maintaining it, whether it's throwing away a throwaway filter and putting on a new one. You just don't want all that dust and dirt to be collected inside your air cleaner, inside your carburetor, intake, wherever. So take care of your investments, they'll take care of you. We have all this stuff in stock. You can check us out at performancebodies.com. Call us at 1-800-RACING1.